Hello everyone, this is Ron's Trains and More. Well, I got moved into my new apartment here in Athens, Tennessee. Just got me a little, this is a master bedroom. Big enough size, not too bad. I bought all Kato Unitrack. So I'm getting ready to rebuild the Southern Central system. And I'm going to use all Kato Unitrack. Man, this is some great track. I don't know why I didn't use this years ago. I would recommend it to anybody. This track is flawless. It's perfect. It sure saves a lot of trouble from having to put down cork and nails and all that you have to do with Atlas track and everything. It's a little expensive, but it's worth it though. But I went and bought all this Kato track, and I finally got a DCC system, an MRC. It's not a bad little system. Works perfect for what I need it for. I went and bought me a scanner so I can do some rail fanning videos. Know where the trains are and everything like that. That's actually an old Mark's train set I got recently, just the other day, that I've got for sale. So it's just a little train set with a few cars. If anyone would be interested in that, or maybe trading some HO for it or something, I'd be interested in that. But that may be another video I'll do on that train set running and everything, just kind of show you what it looks like. But yeah, this is just a temporary little layout I set up here on the floor. Actually turned out pretty good though. I'm still waiting on a couple packs of curves so I can do an actual passing siding. I just kind of did a few little spur tracks for right now. One there, and then of course I got that long one. I went and bought a Norfolk Southern Athearn SD38 with sound. It's in the new horsehead paint scheme. It's really nice. Athearn ready to run. Then I got this high head SD42. It's got a Digitrax decoder in it. I got an EOT, Ring Engineering EOT, I put on the backs of these cars. It's actually a little tricky to install on road railers. Pretty awesome though. Yeah, so this is a Southern Central system. I'm starting over. This time it's going to be a lot better though. I'll have DCC. We got on all Kato Unitrack I'm going to be using. So this is probably about the size it'll be. Of course, it's going to have a lot more sidings and yard and everything like that. But I'll just kind of give you a little tour of the room here also. Bought that old home theater receiver right there. I don't know what's the matter with that thing. I can't get it to work. So I've got to find me another one of them. But anyways, it's just some of my freight cars and stuff there. Of course, like I said, we just moved in. I got a lot of picture frames and things sitting around here. But some more of my freight cars here, and these little mountains I painted and made. I just thought they'd look cool, just kind of sitting around. Kind of neat. Yeah, just for kind of throwing this thing together, I think it turned out pretty cool. I think this is the best I've ever had HO trains to run on carpet. I mean, they run perfect. Anyways. Boy, Athearn makes some nice products. I love their locomotives. Those things run great. I would recommend those to anyone also. Hung my Titanic poster up. Yeah, I'm a big fan of the Titanic. You know, the movies and just everything about it. It's just really cool. This is my closet. I was originally going to build the layout in here, you know, just a small little shelf layout, you know. I mean, it actually worked, but the problem is the door swings the wrong way. I mean, I might could fix that, I don't know. I might still put one in there, I'm not sure yet. I'm probably just going to build it in this room here, maybe against that wall over there or something, but got that little mountain there I made, kind of cool. But yeah, this is just a big walk-in closet here, pretty good size. That's my old 1988 Road Railer Norfolk Southern poster. I love that calendar. That thing was actually a little hard to find. I've had that thing for years. That's at Emory Gap, Tennessee, crossing the trestle down there. Yep, 1988. That was an old Farm and Country train set I got recently. It's actually kind of cool. My daughters play with it. It's pretty neat. Thought it'd be neat maybe to go around the Christmas tree. I've gotten a lot of new stuff here recently. I just recently found these at an antique store. I got both of these for $5. These things are great. Look at that. Is that cool or what? If you're a rail fan, man, that's just great. Check out the back of it. It's got a horse on there. Really cool. And then along with it, I got the Southern one. These things are just great. I love stuff like that, railroad memorabilia. And that there, I don't even know if that's a railroad lantern. That's just an old lantern that I put a light in it and just kind of threw together. Put some railroad heralds on it. Looks kind of cool though. Yeah, I just kind of got stuff thrown around, sitting around everywhere right now. A couple kits I picked up the other day. Little lifelike charts kit. That'd be kind of fun probably to build. And then I got the hanger with 2 airplanes. I really don't know what I'm going to do with that. I might just kit bash that and make something else out of it. I don't know. It's kind of cool though. And I got a lot of Atlas tracking switches here. Some of these are Pico switches, like that 3-way wire right there. I'm going to sell all this track too if anyone's interested in that. You can just message me or something. Got a little CSX coffee cup. My road railer boxes. My 2 new locomotive boxes I just got. I thought that was a really awesome picture. I'd love to find that engine right there and do that one, maybe with sound and everything. But I'm going to put that in a frame. That's a great picture. Then I got those 2 kits I have to build. Walter's Water Street Freight Terminal and the Diamond Coal Corporation. So those kits are going to be fun. I got all those detail parts right there because I'm going to detail this GP60 right here. It's an Operation Lifesaver. Just an old Aether blue box that I'm going to put a Digitrax decoder in. I think it'll look good once I get it finished though. Yeah, I'm going to put that Digitrax decoder in it right there. Yeah, and I got all these paints right here, weathering paints actually, rust and earth and everything. Got all those at Hobby Lobby for $1. They've actually got a sale going right now on those, so I want to check that out. All my NNS calendars, parts and things right there. But yeah, just kind of got things set around here for right now, but just thought I'd give you guys a little tour of what I'm doing here and what's going on with my Southern Central layout. It's kind of fun just having it in floor right now. Actually works pretty good, but here soon I'm going to be doing a whole video series of me building this step by step. Mountains, water, trees, everything. But let me show you this engine I got with sound here right quick. It sounds really awesome. Yeah, I love these things with sound, man. I've got to get some more of these. I'm kind of new at this sound and DCC and all this sort of thing, but man, this is the way to go. I don't know why I didn't do this years ago. Yeah, I mean, this is just great. I'm loving it. Yeah, this thing's awesome. It's got copper, clank, all that kind of sounds, you know. Really cool. See if I can get this box car here. Let's get it. Nope. Anyways, just give you all a quick tour here of what I got going on here. This is the southern central system for right now, but it ain't gonna be this way much longer. You can hear it with the air and everything. Yeah, I appreciate everybody subscribing to my channel and all the awesome comments I've been getting lately too. I'm trying to reach 200 subscribers, so if you guys can help me, I'd really appreciate it. I'm just about there. I don't like too many, but I got a lot more good rail fanning videos to come since I moved up here to Athens. I'm going to do a lot on M&S's mainline running to Chattanooga, so stay tuned for that and a lot more layout videos. But I appreciate y'all for watching, and this is Ron's Trains and More, out.